In this video, I'll show you how to quickly switch to grid view in Canva. Start by opening your Canva design project. Once it's open, look down at the bottom toolbar of your workspace. There, you'll see a small grid icon that looks like a group of little squares. Clicking this instantly changes your layout from a single page view to grid view, where you can see all your pages at once. This is perfect for multi-page projects like presentations, workbooks or photo books because it helps you spot inconsistencies and keep your design flow smooth. From grid view, you can click any page to zoom in and edit or simply drag and drop pages to rearrange them in the order you want. To return to normal single page view, just click the grid icon again. And that's it. You've switched to grid view in Canva, giving you a faster and more organized way to manage your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.